Welcome students to eSpectrum online learning channel. We will be today discussing the linear programming exercise 7.1 second part. Let us solve in this exercise question number 3 and 4. First problem that we will discuss is we are supposed to solve graphically 2x minus 3 greater than is equal to 0. How to solve this inequality? So if I put 2x is greater than equal to 3, take 3 on the other side, so I get x greater than is equal to 3. For drawing the equation of the line, you assume the equation as 2x is equal to 3 and draw the line at x is equal to 3 by 2. So if I draw the line x is equal to 3 by 2, it is the collection of, now how graphically I should read it? It is x is greater than equal to 3 by 2. So x is greater than is equal to 3 by 2 means it is all the points which are lying on the right hand side of the line x is equal to 3 by 2. Problem number 2. We are supposed to solve graphically 2y minus 5 greater than is equal to 0. So consider the equation 2y is greater than is equal to 5. Shifting 5 on the right hand side. What value of y I will get? Y will be greater than is equal to 5 by 2. For drawing the line, consider the equation as y is equal to 5 by 2. So I am supposed to draw a line at y is equal to 5 by 2. So draw the line at y is equal to 5 by 2. So it will be on positive y axis. Now here I have inequality as y is greater than equal to 5 by 2, means all the points, collection of all the points which are having values greater than 5 by 2. So my solution for this case will be set of points lying above the line y is equal to 5 by 2. Problem number 3. The equation given to us is 3x plus 4 less than equal to 0. Rearranging the equation, I get 3x is less than equal to minus 4. Therefore, x I will get less than equal to minus 4 upon 3. For drawing the line, I should consider the equation as x is equal to minus 4 by 3. So draw a line at x is equal to minus 4 by 3. So it will be on the negative x-axis. So it is collection of all the points. It is x is less than minus 4 by 3. So it is collection of all points having value less than minus 4 by 3. So it will be on the left hand side of your line that you have drawn. Question number 3, fourth problem. Solve graphically 5y plus 3 less than 0. So 5y plus 3 less than equal to 0. Rearranging the equation, I get 5y less than equal to minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So for drawing the line, I will draw the line at y is equal to minus 3 by 5. So x of y plane at a point y is equal to minus 3 by 2 means on the negative y axis. So it is y less than minus 3 by 5. It means it is collection of all the points having values less than minus 3 upon 5. So your region of interest or the solution set for this case, will be set of all points lying below y is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Now let us solve question number 4. The first problem that we have is x plus 2y less than equal to 6. I have to draw the line first. X plus 2y is equal to 6. For doing this, consider the equation of the line as x plus 2y is equal to 6. In this equation of the line, I put x is equal to 0. When I put x is equal to 0, value of y that I get is 3. So the first point on the line I got having coordinates 0, 3. Now put y is equal to 0. So if I put y is equal to 0, I get point x is equal to 6. So second coordinate that I got q as 6, 0. Draw these two coordinates on the line XOY plane. I get a line as shown in the diagram. Now I should decide whether it is origin side or non-origin side. For it, I have to check the condition. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the equation. The condition comes out to be 0 less than equal to 6. 0 is less than 6, hence the condition is satisfied. So I should choose now origin side as the solution for solving. Second problem, 2x minus 5y greater than is equal to 10. For this, I should consider the equation of the line as 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Now I should find out the coordinates of the 2 points. So for it, first put x is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, what I get is minus 5y is equal to 10. So I get y is equal to minus 2. Hence the first coordinate that I obtained is 0, minus 2. Let us name it as point P. Now put y is equal to 0. So if I put y is equal to 0 in my equation, what I get is 2x is equal to 10. So from this, I obtain the value of x as 5. So I got now the second coordinate. Let us name it as q is equal to 5, 0. So I got two coordinates, that is 0, minus 2 and 5, 0. Consider x or y plane. The point 0, minus 2 is nothing but on my negative y-axis. So let us say this is my point P. The second point I have is 5, 0. So it is on x-axis. So this is my point Q. Let us join these 2 points. I have to decide now whether it is origin side or non-origin side as my solution. So what is the condition to check for it? The condition that I should check is put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in equation. So if I put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, what I get is 0 minus 0 greater than 10. So 0 greater than 10, the condition is not satisfied. What I should do? So I should go for the solution as non-origin side. So this will be the solution for the given problem. Problem number 3 from question number 4. It is 3x plus 2y greater than equal to 0. Now I have to solve this graphically. I should find out for it the two points of the coordinates on the line. So consider the line. Three x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now if I put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, what I will get is y is equal to 0. So the first point here, if I am getting, is 0, 0. Now remember, on the right hand side I have 0. So I cannot directly put again y is equal to 0 in the equation. So I should consider some different value. So let us put y is equal to 1. So if I put y is equal to 1, what I get? 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So I get 3x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So I got the second point on the line as minus 2 upon 3 comma 1. So locate these 2 points on the XOY plane. What I get is, where is my first point? My first point is the origin itself. So this is my first point. My second point is minus 2 by 3 and 1. So minus 2 by 3 somewhere here and 1. This is the point Q. So this is my second point Q. So this is the point. Join the two points. I should now check whether I should consider which side. Now origin is lying on the line. So for checking the condition, I should not put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. What I should put is some different point. So let us put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in equation. So if I put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, what I get is 3 plus 2 greater than 0. That is 5 is greater than 0. So if 5 is greater than 0, condition is satisfied. So what I should do is, I should consider greater than, so it is the positive direction as my solution. The last problem in question number 4, that is 5x plus 3y less than equal to 0. So for solution finding, consider the line. I should consider the equation as 5x plus 3y is equal to 0. I should find out now the 2 points and its corresponding coordinates to draw the line. So firstly, I will put x is equal to 0. So if I put x is equal to 0, I get y is equal to 0. So the first point that I got with the coordinates x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now here again observe, on the right hand side you have 0. So I cannot put again y is equal to 0 to calculate the second coordinate. Put some different value. So let us put y is equal to 2. So if I put y is equal to 2, I get 5x plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0. So 5x will be equal to minus 6. X comes out to be equal to minus 6 upon 5. So the second coordinates of the point that I got are minus 6 upon 5, comma, the point is 2. So locate these 2 points on XOY plane. So this is your XOY plane. So the first point is the origin itself. So this is my first point P. Second point is minus 6 upon 5. So somewhere here minus 6 upon 5 and 2. So join these 2 points and draw the line. I should check now the condition whether it is origin side or non-origin side. So consider x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 and substitute it in the equation. So I get 5 into 1 plus 3 into 1 less than equal to 0. So I get 8 less than equal to 0. The condition is not satisfied. So if condition is not true, in that case it is not satisfied. So I should consider the other side. This is your solution. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, share and click the bell icon for further notifications.